5 practical steps to save your marriage and rekindle the love. Marriage isn't always smooth sailing. At some point, even the happiest couples find themselves questioning their relationship. Maybe you're feeling hurt, betrayed, frustrated, or simply disconnected. The question is, can you pull it back from the brink? The answer, most of the time, is yes. But only if you're willing to fight for it. So, if there's even a tiny voice inside you saying, I don't want to lose this, then let's explore how to reignite the spark and rebuild what's been broken. Is your marriage salvageable? Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. How do you know if your marriage is beyond saving? Here's the thing. It's rarely about the problems themselves. It's about the hope. Couples have overcome betrayals, financial struggles, and years of resentment to come back stronger than ever. Others, surprisingly, have called it quits over seemingly trivial issues. Why? Because when hope and optimism leave the room, so does the marriage. If both of you still believe deep down that your relationship is worth saving, then you have a fighting chance. What's causing the strain? Marriage isn't an autopilot journey. It demands attention, effort, and the willingness to adapt. The cracks often begin with little things. Miscommunication, unmet expectations, or habits that create distance. Over time, these small issues snowball into something bigger. But here's the good news. Identifying the root causes gives you the power to change them. 5 steps to save your marriage. Saving a marriage isn't about grand gestures or quick fixes. It's about small, consistent actions that rebuild trust and connection. Let's break it down. 1. Make a list of the pain points. Start by putting everything on the table. What's bothering you? What's bothering your partner? Write it all down, no filters. This isn't about blame. It's about understanding the challenges you're facing as a team. Clarity is your foundation for change. 2nd, recharge your emotional batteries. You can't fight for your marriage if you're drained, angry, or resentful. Take a moment to focus on yourself. Breathe, reflect. Work on your own emotional strength so you can approach your relationship with patience and compassion. Remember, a healthier you means a healthier partnership. 3, break the toxic cycle. Every couple argues, it's normal. But when fights turn toxic, they become destructive. It's time to hit pause on the blame game, the sarcasm, and the endless loop of negativity. Instead, learn to approach conflicts with curiosity rather than judgment. Ask yourself, what's really behind this argument? Often, it's not about the dirty dishes. It's about feeling unseen, unheard, or unappreciated. 4th, address the big deal breakers. Every relationship has its breaking points. Aggression, infidelity, or addiction can erode even the strongest bonds. If these issues exist, they need to be confronted head-on. This might mean seeking professional help, setting boundaries, or making significant changes. True healing begins when both partners commit to eliminating these toxic behaviors. 5th, recommit to each other. This is where the magic happens. Look at your partner with fresh eyes. Who are they today, and who do you want to be for them? Relearn how to communicate with kindness. Show affection in ways that matter to them. And most importantly, verbalize your commitment to rebuilding your relationship. This isn't about going back to the way things were. It's about creating something new and better together, when all else fails. Not every marriage can be saved, and that's okay. If you've given your all and still can't find common ground, letting go might be the healthiest choice. But if you're still holding on to hope, even a sliver of it, don't give up just yet. With patience, effort, and the right strategies, you can turn things around. Saving your marriage starts with believing in it again. It's about rediscovering the love, joy, and partnership that brought you together in the first place. The road may be tough, but the reward? A relationship that's stronger and more fulfilling than ever. Remember, every step forward is a step closer to the marriage you both deserve. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.